Okay, so just like back in the good old days when my AC broke, right? I got the speaker stands that I told you I was gonna order, and I'm gonna mount these really fast and go to sleep. Okay, so we're gonna do this fast, no BS. See, I got a blade as a gift. Be careful, don't cut yourself. Okay, have to open this slowly. Remember safety, safety. Don't hurt yourselves. Okay, and they put this box. It's heavy, trust me. I'm not like saying BS. Actually heavy. You see that? Just proof it's heavy. Watch. You hear this? Ready? Not trying to damage my desk, but trust me, like everything moved. That was heavy impact. I hope I didn't damage the desk. If I did, then it's in warranty, but I don't have the time to redo my desk. So it's showing the Kanto Uke speakers, Kanto, and I'm showing me how to install this and speaker stuff. More speaker stuff. Speaker stuff, and you already know speaker stuff. Professional vocabulary. Look at this beautiful. Look at that. When you order white, make sure it comes black. That's what customers like. Okay, this is looking good. I think that I can clean it with a wet wipe. We shall see pretty soon. It's insane how many plates there are on this thing and how much I'm gonna have to build. Almost there. 2 more plates, and I don't know if I need all of them, but we shall see in just a few moments. I think I do need all of them, but if I was wrong, then I will put them away, 2 of them away. Anyway, let's go back to this, shall we? Close this up, quickly get my wet wipe, close up some of this, close up these speakers. Couldn't find a wet wipe, so we're just gonna literally just use water and a dried up wet wipe. Beautiful. It can't clean off the marks. Beautiful. Oh my god, bro. I don't know why these companies always send me one thing of a white set, always. I'm back. I have another flushable wipe. I don't know if this makes a difference. I'm scrubbing. I really am. Dude, it's just... Come on, man. Like, this is the base of the stand. Like, this is what we see on the sides. You gotta do this to me, man. Why do they always send these fucking white... Come on, man. Like, this stand is fucking $90, man. You can't send me one that's fucking white? Alright, I'm sorry about that, boys and girls. I ran out of storage on my phone. Basically, I was trying to do this before I go to sleep. For some reason, this always takes me like 2 hours to do. I have no idea why. Try not to scratch anything, try to do it properly, try to talk to the camera. But anyway, we're gonna wrap this up. I took photos while doing it. And just take this plate off, unscrew this, put it onto the device. So I have to put it onto this plate. Notice how this Kanto plate is meant for big speakers, so watch when I put this Kanto side here. That's how it fills up the whole speaker. See that? The whole thing. So now all I have to do is screw this in on the bottom, make sure it's perfectly straight, and I have to move this plate onto that. So I have to unscrew these parts. This is what I was doing when my phone filled up with the storage, so I didn't have any more storage available. If I had another device to record with, iPad or something, then I guess that'd be useful when I run out of storage. I haven't thought this through. Should have bought those hard drives that were on sale. Should have built a bigger NAS, because I probably need it, but I didn't do it. Now the hard drive prices went up again. It's ridiculous how buying hardware is like becoming buying stocks. Didn't buy DDR5 for Alder Lake. That shit sold out. Everything. And then people are selling RAM double the price of what RAM that was in stock goes for. So yeah, God bless, boys and girls. God bless. Alright, now these are for small speakers. I'm obviously not that person. Now I put that in that direction. This is going to be facing the other direction. I'll show you in like 2 seconds. But I do have to screw these in first. What it looks like so you guys can see. Screws. And then you slide it onto this plate. Now this might be off by a little bit, but we're gonna hope that this still mounts on properly. It'll be very delicate. I don't want to damage my speakers. These are expensive, and I've already R-made them. And I don't think audioengine would be too happy if I damaged my speakers mounting them onto a competitor's stand. If audioengine had white speakers like this, then I would buy them, but they don't. You cannot tilt these. I thought you could, but no, you can't. Because if you don't screw it in, then you can spin these a little bit. but I don't think that's wise because you can just slide it off at any time. I'm not ever gonna hit it, but I don't think it's wise. Not really too stable. Alright, we're gonna wrap up this video. As you can see, I have installed speakers onto the speaker stands. The positioning, perfect. I have no idea. I'm zooming in to show you what it looks like. Are these speaker stands worth $90? That is something you will have to decide on your own. But this was the only thing that matched my monitor arm. They look like they all go together. The only thing that's changing is this monitor arm will be going over there and holding it in the same exact manner. Then that mic arm will be moved over a little bit, but that will free up space over here for me to put my UPS. And I need to order some better wire management stuff underneath on the bottom because it's not clean. I don't like the way it looks. And might order another surge protector with a cable that goes out to the wall adapter, where I'm trying to say that on the outlet. Right. So yeah, there is no DDR5. So that CPU is gonna sit right there. So if you're wondering like, well, what it's doing, that's what it's doing. That's pretty much it. I'm happy with these speakers. You shall see another update in the near future. I don't know what it'll be. I also have no idea when you will actually see this video because it is like November 11th right now. Happy Veterans Day. So good luck and bye bye.